Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York, and I asked you, how did I light this? This is a series where I'm going through some of my work, talking about how I lit them, why I lit them, the inspiration behind it, and I'd love some feedback from you about how you might light something similarly. So in this case, I was traveling, and many of you guessed it, I didn't have any lights with me. This is just natural light. It was actually a very sunny day in the fall, and I had been communicating with this model, and we said, let's just get together and shoot something. So we were kind of wandering through the woods. I made the decision because I was using the environment. I wanted something a little bit kind of moodier and darker. So I put her in kind of a darkish area with the sun more or less to the front of her, but with enough light creeping through, we got that contrast. You can see there's almost like a little blowout on her nose, but she has no catch light in her eyes. It has this kind of almost horror movie vibe, and that's kind of what we were playing around with. It was a really fun shoot, and it goes to show you that if you meet up with somebody and you want to make some images, just find a spot that works, find a model that works, and sometimes you don't need to light it at all. So thanks so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you'd like. Down in the description, you can find links to my Patreon and to my Discord server if you want to sign up over there. I'll see you soon.